also putting the spotlight on the primary market right now. Mr. Ramneek Sehgal, the MD, as well as Bhagat Singh, the Group CFO at Ceigall India, is joining us on the show to talk to us about the way forward and the IPO which is impending. Hi gentlemen, good afternoon. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us. Mr. Bhagat, I wanted to start the conversation by asking you about the utilization of the proceeds. We understand it's for the reduction of the debt, but what would the debt come down to? What would be the savings on interest costs? Could you add a bit more color on the fund utilization?
Total, the company is planning to raise 684 crores precisely as a part of its fresh issue process. So, out of the 684 crores, the company will be procuring the new machineries for the modernization of its existing setup. That is amounted to 99 crores. Rupees 413 crores is a debt repayment amount which the company would be repaying. This debt comprises of a part of a working capital demand loan, and the remaining is a mobilization and a term loans which the company has availed from existing bank setup. So total of 412 crore is a debt repayment, 99 crore is a machinery purchase, and 170 is a general corporate purpose. In totality, this amounts to rupees 684 crores.
Ramneek, what is your outlook on the order book for the full year FY25, and what's the bid pipeline looking like?
So, we don't have a pressure at all for the order book value. You can see we already have a great order book value. And going forward, we've already bid close to $2 billion already. So, we don't see any dearth of order book value. We just maintain our EBITDA levels, which is more important to us. So, we have so many verticals, and geography-wise, we're already present in more than 10 states. So, if we don't get work in road, we get in elevated roads. We don't get elevated roads, we get structures. We don't get structures, we go in railway runways, then, tunneling, then metros, then it could be underpasses. So, we have so many verticals within Ceigall. We do a lot of utility shifting, be it sewage, water supply. We're doing now solars at our project site. So, we have so many verticals and so many states. So, altogether, there would be no pressure of getting the order book value. As I said, we've already quoted for almost $2 billion. So, getting orders is not a challenge for Ceigall.
But Ramneek, you don't have a pressure on the order book, but what kind of revenue growth do you envisage for the next few years? Are you confident that you'll be able to hit, let's say, 5,000 crore by FY26?
This year, we had a CAGR of about 50%. The ROE was about close to 33%. So, company wants to grow organically. We don't have any pressure to, have to get more numbers on as such. Organically we're growing, and we have a sufficient order book value to grow. So, we've been very conservative. Last year, we thought we'll do about 2,500 crores. We did about 2,954 crores. And, I've already shared the number of CAGR, which is 50%, and ROE is like 33%. So, if you see, it has been reported by CARE as an industry report. We are one of the fastest growing EPC company in the country, about 1,000 crore turnover. And that's quite evident in last 4 years. We have shown what you've done.
You mentioned that the focus is actually on EBITDA. So, what exactly is the outlook going forward on your profitability? And are you aiming to further improve your margins from current levels of 17%? How much is the scope?
So, we always maintain a EBITDA level at the time of bidding. We always try and do, a lot of value engineering, and we make it a point to bid only at that particular EBITDA level of 2-digit. If we don't, because, we don't have any pressure of getting an order book value. And as you know, we have present in so many states, so geography-wise also we have diversified so well. So, एक state में नहीं होगा, दूसरे में मिल जाएगा. And vertical-wise also we have great verticals, and we are growing verticals also. If you compare us with peers in the market, they start all growing their verticals and geography when they reach the turnover 7,000-8,000 crore. Where a company like us started doing it when we were at the state of 2,000 crore. So, the vision is great. Our goals are great. So, getting order and executing is never a challenge. And, the company, as company is growing, we've added so many verticals like, airports, there will be no looking back. Metros, no looking back. Railway, no looking back. And highway, you always has been our favorite baby of the government. So, I don't think there would be any dearth of getting orders, turnover, revenue, or, growing ourselves vertically in geography.
Okay, thanks gentlemen for making time and speaking with us. I hope to speak with you again when the IPO does open, but all the best for that.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.